Welcome to the Do It All Dad Year podcast. What Gen X dads understand. Controlling our kids' economy can make our kids great again. My 3 fuss-free kids, 90% of the time, are living proof of it. And now I'm going to share with you another all-star addition to my upcoming book, The Koshertarian Comedian. And this chapter is called The Secret of My Soy Boy Success. Where Michael J. Fox lives. Holla! Thank you very much! Soy dogs. Get lost. Not interested. They possess zero snap, never looking healthy, resembling flaccid impotence to me. I don't care if you microwave soy dogs in a wet paper towel for 1 minute or throw them on the grill. The save points on Weight Watchers aren't worth the taste of boundless, zero thrills, yuckiness throughout. Plus, soy dogs on the grill burn faster than Hitler's desire to annihilate whenever his old school herpes sores pierce through his precious stash again. Holla! Thank you very much! When the best thing you can say about a soy dog is, I like the ketchup on it because if I ever needed a palate cleanser to erase the depressed, doughy, middle-aged malaise I'm trying to desperately avoid right now through forcing myself to eat this rubbery, fake news conjuring hot dog, it's now, holla, thank you very much! But soy dogs aren't reflective of the flavorful absorption potential of soy either, nor do soggy soy doy nor do soggy soy dog links compare to the scrumptious splendidness of Morningstar's soy nuggets, which got me into adopting more soy-based meals into my diet. I even put my sales hat on in Morningstar's honor and sold the shit out of their soy-based frozen products on my own mock advertising portfolio for junior copywriter roles after my daughter was born when my stay-at-home comedian journey began, such as Morningstar Nuggets, so good you'll eat the crumbs, which I also billed as the best piece you never had. Holla! Thank you very much! My favorite print ad in my portfolio was reserved for breaded Morningstar burgers. Fuss-free plus guilt-free plus mess-free equals zero regrets. Even though you're a fictitious character, you better suck me off a long time, Don Draper. Holla! Thank you very much! In related news, I read last year that the actor John Hamm, who played Don Draper in Mad Men, that he had donated $2,000 to Kamala Harris's failed presidential bid at the time. And at the time I thought, so that's how much he charges for a pearl necklace these days? Holla! Thank you very much! Soy dogs were a long-distance memory now, offering less titillating interest than Hello Kitty trying to lip-sync Surrender by Cheap Trick for karaoke critter appreciation nights. Cheap Trick lives at Budokan. Holla! Thank you very much! There's a vegetarian restaurant by NYU called Bamboo, which does tantalizing recreationist wonder with soy, especially in the form of fried chicken replication, somehow magically transforming soy into real deal, whole field tasting fried chicken, compelling even Iron Mike back in the day to chew off more than a nibble, passing the bad boy soy boy test in my book. Holla! Thank you very much! Again, guilt-free plus fuss-free plus mess-free equals zero regrets, especially when A, you get to devour huge mounds of protein-rich soy-based fried chicken without feeling like a lazy brain fast food junkie whale. B, don't have to concern yourself with breading anything or worry about the concentrated shots of estrogen in the soy-based fried chicken, knowing your 9-year-old daughter has nothing to bear upstairs just yet. Plus, if my daughter fills out like mommy, chances are she won't become another busted beauty like Jennifer Tilly. Holla! Thank you very much! And C, it's impossible to regret ordering soy-based fried chicken when it tastes like an airy light version of the real thing, especially knowing that a block of soy was never a living, breathing, claustrophobic, nerve-damaged chicken who died of a heart attack the time Pedro Martinez showed it a cockfighting fight on YouTube to see if Chicken Little was ready to fight up a weight class after he promised to pump her up with chicken liver schmaltz hormones with his signature breaking ball speed. Holla! Thank you very much! I got my 2 boys into soy dogs for a bit before I introduced them to the highly superior Hebrew National Jumbo dogs, draped with spicy brown mustard. Whenever we ran out of ketchup again, because I plopped out every last drop to make soy dogs still eaten by my daughter on occasion edible, tolerable from start to finish. Holla! Thank you very much! Last night, I decided to slay Tofu the Terrible again. I make my best batch of Golden Child tofu pitas made in a yummy barbecue sauce consisting of fried sweet peppers and red onions, promoting my daughter to declare, Daddy, I want the recipe for your Golden Child tofu pitas. Eddie Murphy lives through a random yet non-direct quote from the Golden Child, which is, I want the knife. What Gen X dads understands. Holla! Thank you very much! First, you must dehydrate the soy wrapped in paper towels to soak up all the water weight lost from a hilly 45-minute Peloton ride through a no-go zone in Germany. Holla! Thank you very much! Then you must cut semi-substantial squares of dehydrated soy to fry up in vegetable oil later on a high flame, only to be a tad fussy about using thongs to flip over each Golden Child cube of glistening perfection over individually to ensure the golden brown crackling crust, or else the soy cubes resemble deflated, smushed pieces of torn up airplane pillows. But make sure to caramelize the red peppers and red onions separate first before mixing it with the too cool for school Golden Child cubes, which you must splash with soy sauce throughout to give it the much needed salty, funky kick throughout if you don't want the bubbly soy pieces to taste like chewy, flavorless soy gum either. Holla! Thank you very much! Adopting soy into your diet won't be a life-changing experience, but you'll be amazed at soybeans' potential for recreationist splendor, where the thought of soggy, soft day afternoons fades faster than Daddy next time his kids try to show him what lunch they're making for Hello Kitty on their Amazon Fire tablets next. Worth repeating. Soggy, soft day afternoons. Al Pacino, Cindy Lament Lives, Dog Day Afternoon. For those not keeping up with me, holla, thank you very much. Never forget, guilt-free plus fuss-free plus mess-free equals 0 regrets. My 7-year-old son caught a kid in his class cheating off his math quiz at school. But my son isn't Chinese. So if my son takes after me at all, I'm not as mathematically challenged as I think. Shabbat Shalom, and I'll talk to you guys soon.